Sound is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Screen is visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
so last class we discussed there is in plant Golgi complex also called as a dictyosome, right? And now we are talking about why these are called as a dictyosome. Whenever we are talking about in case of plant cell, that plant cell definitely Golgi complex is present, but that Golgi complex, these are the without interconnection of cisternae. So we are talking about that Golgi okay. So we are talking about, continue that point. We are talking about that is Golgi, these are the without interconnection of Golgi without interconnection of cisternae. Just wait, screen is loading. Continue. Golgi without interconnection of cisternae. Interconnection of cisternae called as dictyosome. Called as dictyosome.
And the screen is frozen.
Yeah, I know that. Just wait.
Ma'am, it is still frozen.
Yeah, I know that. I know that. I know that. Web channel, it's opening. It's visible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Chalo. So continue. We are talking about that is dictyosome, and dictyosome basically these are the Golgi complex. But more specifically, we are talking that Golgi complex, it is present inside the plant because interconnection between the cisternae, it is totally absent. So we'll discuss in diagram what is meaning of that interconnection. So now next point we are talking about that is components of Golgi. Write down the title. Different components of Golgi. Okay, it is get frozen.
Ma'am, what you wrote is the starting.
Just wait here. Write down the title, components of Golgi.
And the screen is not visible.
Yeah, I know that. It's get terminate. Point which is written regarding to absence of system is the reason. That's what it is. Yash. Interconnect cistern present, but between the connection between the cistern, these are the absent. Means like tubule structure. Those are shown. Means one cistern is attached to another cistern. Such type of this connection is absent in case of plant. That's why simply we are talking that is dictyosome. Okay, screen is visible now. Screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Now it's working. Yeah, chalo. That's it. So write down the title, components of Golgi. Write down the titles.
Ma'am,
Huh?
you
What
had
you have written before this?
you had written a point, no?
Which point?
Just now in the beginning of the class, you told a point, no?
Yes. Write down.
Please repeat.
Please mute your mic. My sound is okay. Sound is
We are
clear.
going.
Yes.
Okay. So write down that sentence. We discussed that is inside this plant, Golgi also called as the dictyosome, because Golgi without interconnection of cisternae. Cisternae present, sac like that flat structure present, but without connection. Interconnection between the cisternae absent. That's why it is called as the dictyosome. Got this point? Okay. So next point we are talking about that is component of the Golgi.
Ma'am,
First
please
one we
repeat.
discuss Golgi without interconnection of cisternae. Golgi without interconnection of cisternae called as dictyosome. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, chalo.
Are you writing
So we are
something?
now I am writing. We are talking about that is components of Golgi. Number one, that is cisternae. A, that is cisternae. Small a. Small b, tubules. It is similar to endoplasmic reticulum. Now third, small c, that is vesicle. Small c, that is vesicle. And finally, we are talking about that is small d, which is the one extra one, that is Golgian vacuole. Last one, that is Golgian vacuole. So we have to discuss each and every point one by one. So definitely cisternae, tubules, vesicle, these are the similar to endoplasmic reticulum. In endoplasmic reticulum also there is 3 component is present. In case of Golgi also these 3 component is present. Extra one component, that is Golgian vacuole, these are the present in Golgi complex. Okay, now so first of all we are talking about first structure, that is cisternae. Meet your mic. First structure we are talking about, that is cisternae. To explain the cisternae, I am taking the diagrammatic representation because we want to discuss one question from this cisternae. Definitely cisternae, these are the flattened structure who having the more surface area. So for Golgi complex also that explanation is same. But first of all we have to draw some diagrammatic explanation. Okay, now for example,
Scroll up a bit.
Yeah. For example, we are talking about these are the organelle endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, ER, because this, remember the last diagram, nucleus present. From the nucleus there is a extension of endoplasmic reticulum, maybe rough, maybe smooth. Above the endoplasmic reticulum, now we are talking about there is a presence of the Golgi complex, right? So now bottom से start कर रहे हैं हम, it's better. We start from the bottom. So in this condition, here we are draw the structure of nucleus. Nucleus plasma membrane, that is outer plasma membrane itself, it will be get fold, and now they form a typical structure. These are called as the second organelle endoplasmic reticulum, that is ER. Now about this ER, because we know that ER, these are the site where we can form a protein or we can form a lipid. So simply what happened? From that endoplasmic reticulum, there is a process can be occur, formation of vesicle. And inside this vesicle, there is a presence of molecule. That molecule, we are simply talking about it is biomolecule. Okay, maybe that is a protein molecule or maybe that is a lipid molecule. So simply we are talking about the component which is present inside the vesicle, that is biomolecule, lipid or protein. Okay, now next process, this vesicle which is arise from endoplasmic reticulum, it get pinch off, it gets separated, and now this typical structure simply it is called as the vesicle, and inside this vesicle that biomolecules also present. Got this? So ये हमने देखा था up to last class how that vesicle get formed, and that vesicle contain maybe biomolecule, either protein or lipid. Now this vesicle who contain the biomolecule, now it is transported toward the Golgi complex. So now I'm talking about total 3 part of Golgi complex, because see, we are not using only Golgi word. We are talking about Golgi bodies, Golgi apparatus or the Golgi complex, because it is having more than one cisternae. So in this condition, first of all, I draw this vesicle. It will be showing the structure, typical structure. Before the fusion, there is a presence of Golgi apparatus or Golgi complex. So I'm drawing the one by one. There is a presence of this structure. So now here we are talking about one cisternae. Now these are the another cisternae, and these are the third cisternae. Okay, 1, 2 and the 3. So I'm giving the name one by one quickly. This number 1 cisternae, which is near to endoplasmic reticulum, near to endoplasmic reticulum, these are called as the cis Golgi, or also called as the forming face Golgi. जिस तरह से हमारा स्माइली फेस होता है ना, स्माइल प्लीज, so such kind of this structure is there. So such kind of this face, these are called as the cis or also called as the forming face, or sometimes these are also called as the convex face. glass type, that is convex, concave, similar like that.
Ma'am,
So
could
cis
you please
forming,
tell again how it is formed?
yeah, sure. It is like a smiley face. Smile. So what is happening? It will be form the structure like this, right? Smiley face like this. Smile, please. So such kind of this structure, these are called as the forming face, or also called as the cis. Okay, or simply it is called as the convex face. Now about
What will form the cis, you said, ma'am?
cis means forming face. Such
No,
type of
from what will it be formed?
aha. Generally it is present. That is we discuss later. Generally we are talking about how that Golgi complex structure get formed. So Golgi complex is not having the only single cisternae. ये जो हमने दिखाया हुआ है, these are the cisternae or forming face or the convex. These are the all structure of the cisternae. Complete this structure. These are the cisternae. Okay, because we are talking about
Okay,
first
ma'am.
part. Give the title, बाबा. Without title बाद में confusion होगा. Okay, give the titles. So we are talking about cisternae structure. So the first structure which is near to endoplasmic reticulum, that is cis, also called as the forming face. Now this one on the top, these are called as the trans Golgi, or these are also called as maturing phase. These are also called as maturing phase, or simply these are also called as, that is, concave. Concave. Okay. So simply whenever you have to remember only 2 points from this point, that is what is the meaning of trans Golgi and the maturing phase, and the cis Golgi, also called as the forming phase. That's it. Now, so these are the typical structure of the Golgi complex. Now what happened? This protein, okay, that is vesicle, which is coming from the endoplasmic reticulum, which is consist of biomolecules. Such type of this vesicle, it is go and fused with the cis forming. कहाँ पे जाएगा? It go and it will be showing the fusion. So I am just draw this point. Vesicle fusion. छोटा हो गया, but just give the arrow between this, okay? Just give the arrow between this, huh? Okay. Vesicle, and it is consist of biomolecule. Got it? Yeah. So now what happened? We are talking about that is simply fusion. So this vesicle go and fuse to cis Golgi. Okay. Now what happened? The material which is present inside this Golgi, now it is get released inside this cis Golgi, right? Now simply from this cis Golgi, that material it is transported to mid Golgi. So this middle part, this structure, these are nothing but these are called as the mid Golgi. So cis Golgi, mid Golgi, and the trans Golgi. So three types of Golgi. So vesicle, first of all, it is showing fusion with the cis Golgi. From cis Golgi, it is transported to the mid, and from the mid, it is transported to the trans Golgi. So simply we are talking about that material, simply it is get transported from cis to that molecule that is called as the trans Golgi. So got this point, it will be showing the simply fusion. So first of all, complete the diagram, because now I want to discuss what is the modification of lipid and the protein. Diagram part is over. Simply we are talking about that is vesicle fused initially fused with the cis. From cis, the material is transported to mid Golgi. From the mid Golgi, it is transported to trans Golgi. Done? यूज द पेंसिल्स, ओके, बिकॉज हमें यहाँ पे चेंजेस करने बहुत सारे. ओके पद्मा.
Done,
Okay,
ma'am.
chalo. Done. Yeah. So just see the screen, what is happening. I'll give the time for the writing. Okay. Now what happened? We are talking about that is modification. Modification. So now initially, if you see that typical structure, this one, that vesicle, it is consist of the molecule, that is biomolecules, either protein or maybe we are talking about that is lipid component. Now what happened? Once it is get entered inside the Golgi complex, so now there is a modification. What kind of this modification? I just tell you, that is that protein, it is consist of some modification. So you just, what you do, draw one this symbol like this. These are the biomolecule, okay? This orange color biomolecule, and just form a structure like this, okay? And this white color, nothing but we are talking about modification. These are the modification. Modification means what? Now these are the Golgi complex. Here we can add any sugar molecule on lipid and the protein. So modification, that is addition of sugar molecule. Addition of sugar molecule on lipid or on protein. Lipid or on protein. So please write down this information. So I'm doing some changes here. That protein which is present inside this vesicle, we are talking about, it is only orange color. No any white color it is attached. White color means what? These are the modification. And what kind of this modification? Now that Golgi complex, these are the site where we can add sugar molecule on lipid or on the protein molecule. And such type of this condition, these are called as the modification of protein or modification of lipid. And where that modification process can be occur? That process occur inside the Golgi complex. Right? We'll discuss in later why such type of modification is required in function part. So now just do one thing. We are drawing the proteins here. So you can simply, these are the proteins. So simply add the modification like this. So these are the presence of this orange color biomolecule. And on this biomolecule, simply you can add white color tag. And that white color, nothing but is represent, that is modification. Okay. Modification. So from cis Golgi, that protein or lipid molecule, it is transported toward the mid. From the mid, now it is get transported towards this trans Golgi. So again, inside this trans Golgi, there is a presence of this molecule with modification. Okay. So diagram part is covered. Diagram part is covered. हाँ सानिका, once it is get fused with this cis Golgi से कहने से अच्छा, when it is entered into Golgi, now it is undergo the modification. That is addition of sugar molecule on protein or on the lipid. Got this point? Okay. So now see
Yes.
what happening on trans Golgi. These are the part of trans Golgi. How do you see this trans Golgi? It is get vesicle detached from the trans Golgi, because can you see these are the part. यहाँ पे कुछ तो part present है. This one, this part. So this part, what happened? It will be showing the extension of plasma membrane. That plasma membrane is came out and now it will be form a typical vesicle. But now what is the difference between this vesicle? This vesicle, it is consist of lipid or the protein molecule, but with modification. Just see what is the changes. Just check the vesicle. ये भी vesicle है. Definitely these are the vesicle. But now what happened? These are the vesicle. Now these are the called as the secretory vesicle. This vesicle, these are called as the which vesicle? Secretory vesicle. And tell me what is the meaning of secretory vesicle? Last class, remember, what is the meaning of secretory vesicle? What is the meaning of secretory vesicle? That vesicle which is fused to plasma membrane and released outside the cell. Yes or no? Material which is released, which is coming from endoplasmic reticulum, transported to Golgi complex, and now that material, it is transport outside the cell. That is called as the secretory. Please revise the part. Putsa part, pathimagcha part. Don't do like that. Yes, it is released outside. So such kind of this vesicle, these are called as a secretory vesicle. Now what happening? Just check the two vesicles. This vesicle. You have to check this vesicle. That vesicle, it is consist of only protein or the lipid molecule. And just check that secretory vesicle. Had you got any difference between that two vesicles? Check these two steps. That vesicles which is released from endoplasmic reticulum and that vesicle which is released from the trans Golgi. Is this any difference? Is this
The
any difference?
secretory vesicle has only one biomolecule with modification.
With modification, yes. It's true answer, that is with modification. So if you see, whenever we are talking about the simply vesicle which is arise from the endoplasmic reticulum, it consists of either protein or lipid. But when is this any vesicle which is released from the trans Golgi? Remember, cis Golgi se remove nahi hoga. It is not removed from the mid Golgi also. Always and always, is this any vesicle which is released after modification? After modification, it should be released from trans Golgi. So if you see the difference between the vesicle which is arise from endoplasmic reticulum and which is arise from the trans Golgi, you clearly see that change. That change, it's a modification. And what kind of this modification? There is an addition of sugar molecule on lipid on the protein. I hope you remember last class we already discussed about that protein which is synthesized on the endoplasmic reticulum, maybe these are the transported towards the lysosome. Maybe these are the transported towards this vacuum. Maybe it is fused with plasma membrane, or sometimes it is released outside the plasma membrane or outside the cell. So what kind of condition? Why these are the possible? How that protein can understand कि मुझे इसी के घर में जाना है. I want to go lysosome. I will never go to vacuole. How it is possible? It is possible because of that modification, and that modification, that is sugar molecule, it is a one kind of address, right? So we are writing that information, that modification, and that modification, nothing but that is addition of sugar residue. Addition of sugar residue or sugar molecule. It's a one kind of. It's one kind of address. And that address simply it is called as the signal. Or simply these are called as it is one kind of address. Remember, that's why Golgi complex also called as central post office of the cell. Also called as central post office of the cell. Got this? Because, for example, so many letters coming from the other state and the other places of the Goa. Now, Margao, these are the center. For example, near the KTC, there is a what we say, or near this Fatoda, near that PWD, there is a one post office. That post office, these are the central post office of the Margao. So now what happened? All the letters who having pin code to Madgaon, all that letters first of all entered inside this PWD office, because PWD office, these are the central post office. Now what happened? Postman according to pin code वहां से starting करेगा. Means what happened? हाँ, Erlem circle letters एक separate जगह पे. For example, another one that is stadium in opposite side. So this depend upon, for example, what is that area? Chandrawada area. So now it will be having the sorting different. So according to their address, according to pin code, now that postman that sort that all that letters. So such kind of this condition also done, such kind of this function also performed by the Golgi complex. All protein or the all protein or the lipid which is synthesized on endoplasmic reticulum, that does not having any signal, that does not having any address, right? So that addition of address or that addition of molecule, sugar molecule, or that address signal, it is added by the Golgi complex. And now that Golgi complex, it is responsible for sorting of biomolecule, distribution of biomolecule. हाँ चलो ये molecule है, it should transport to lysosome. चलो lysosome का address add कर दो. हाँ ये lipid है, it should go and it is fused to the plasma membrane. चलो add the address of plasma membrane. So that address, that signal, it is added by the Golgi complex. That's why Golgi complex also called as central post office of the cell. Got this point? Got this point, everyone? Nucleus, brain of the cell, right? Golgi complex, central post office of the cell. Mitochondria, powerhouse of the cell. Lysosome देखेंगे. Lysosome, these are the suicide bag of the cell. Everyone got this point? Is this any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Yeah. So just check if this part is any missing. We are talking about that is modification. And modification part is important because these are the major function. And in NEET 2020, there is a one question. Modification of biomolecules, it is occur inside Golgi complex. There is one question on that. हम बाद में discuss करेंगे question. Okay, so this part is done. These are the all information about the cisternae. And cisternae, these are the flat structure who divide into three types, that is cis Golgi, mid Golgi, trans Golgi. And remember, modification of the biomolecule is occur inside this Golgi, and the vesicle, it is always and always after the modification it is released from trans Golgi. So you can write down that sentence also. After modification, Golgi, or what we say, after modification, biomolecule released from trans Golgi. It is released from trans Golgi. Got this? Okay. So all these are the information about the Golgi. Now we are talking about second component, that is tubules. Continue. So after the A part, we are talking about that is B. And B nothing but we are talking about that is structure of tubules. So I'm not taking diagrammatic explanation for this because I'm just writing the only sentence.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Huh?
The modification starts in the convex phase only, no?
No, actually modification starts in endoplasmic reticulum, and now entire modification is done inside the Golgi complex. It starts in endoplasmic
reticulum. So before it fuses, it is partially modified.
Yes, it's partially modified, but it's not added any exactly structure. If you go according to book, now they clearly said that is modification occur inside the Golgi complex. More specifically, it depends upon the molecule. Some molecule it is modified in cis Golgi, some molecule it is modified into mid, some molecules it is modified into trans Golgi. So simply I'm talking about only one structure, that is Golgi. But accurate method means which is not mentioned in book, but actually whenever we are talking about modification, it is initiated, it is start in endoplasmic reticulum, and that complete modification is occur inside the Golgi complex.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. स्टार्ट के ऊपर क्वेश्चन नहीं आएगा, अगर क्वेश्चन आया तो दे सिंपली आस्क दैट वेयर दैट मॉडिफिकेशन ऑफ बायोमोलिक्यूल्स ऑकर, सो आंसर इज गोल्जी कॉम्प्लेक्स.
Miss, please scroll
Now
up.
next, yeah. So next point we are talking about, that is tubules. Write down. Tubules arise from peripheral region of. It is arise from peripheral region of cisternae. Peripheral region of cisternae. Now, when we are draw the structure of endoplasmic reticulum, we can clearly show that tubules. Yes, it is true. But when we are talking about the structure of the Golgi complex, now that tubules it is present on, it's very minute fibers like structure, very small, means it is not a clearly visible. And mostly where these are the arise from the peripheral region of the cisternae. So यहाँ पे हमने देखो cisternae draw किया है. These are the cisternae structure, right? And now it is arise from that cisternae, from here. It is arise from the peripheral region of the cisternae. So simply we are talking about the tubules because there is a no question from the tubules. So simply these are the extension, tube-like extension, tube-like structure. But now in case of Golgi complex, it is arise from peripheral region of cisternae. Got this point? Okay. Okay. Yeah. So next point we are talking about, that is vesicle. And you know very well, vesicle nothing but we are talking about lipid bag or lipid sac. So simply I'm giving the name, only writing the name. That is we are talking about, that is typical structure, vesicle. And the last point, D, that is Golgian vacuole. Golgian vacuole. So I'm writing some information. What is meaning of this Golgian vacuole? Some vesicle it is converted into lysosome. Some vesicle, these are converted into lysosome. Okay, and more specifically remember that point whenever we are talking about that vesicle that is coming from trans Golgi. That typical vesicle from where these are the originated from the trans Golgi. So हम आगे देखेंगे Golgi complex, sorry lysosome, that time also we discussed lysosome which is arise from the trans Golgi. Such type of this vacuole, these are called as the Golgian vacuole. It means that vesicle, some vesicle, it is directly converted into lysosome, which is the suicide bag of the cell. So this part, fourth point, we will discuss in lysosome organelle. Now, next point, we are talking about another important point. So part is over. Now we are talking about what is the meaning of zone of exclusion. Write down the title. Zone of exclusion. Zone of exclusion. So one and only organelle which is present inside the cell, that is Golgi complex. That Golgi complex, it is represent as zone of exclusion. Why these are called as the zone of exclusion? Because around Golgi complex or Golgi body, around Golgi complex or the Golgi body, organelles like a mitochondria, powerhouse of the cell, chloroplast, light reaction and the dark reaction, chloroplast, and the protein factory, that is ribosome. So these three organelles, mitochondria, chloroplast, ribosome, all these three organelles, these are totally absent these are totally absent. And such kind of this condition, these are called as the zone of exclusion. Zone of exclusion. So remember, Golgi complex, these are the one and only organelle which is present inside the cell. Surrounding area of that Golgi, there is no organelles like mitochondria, chloroplast, and another organelle that is ribosome. It is totally absent. Now, why such type of zone of exclusion is required? We are talking about that. So now what happened? We discuss in diagram. There is a presence of this different Golgi. Like these are the cis Golgi. Now there is a presence of their mid Golgi, and now there is a presence of this trans Golgi. Now, almost they remember this point. So many vesicles, these are the present surrounding region of that Golgi. So all these are the vesicles. So these are the not only single vesicle. In diagram, we just draw only single vesicle, but when we are talking about such type of the structure, so many vesicles, these are the present around the structure of the Golgi. Because now what happened, these are the one sequence. Endoplasmic reticulum, from Golgi vesicle which is released from the endoplasmic reticulum, fused with the cis Golgi. Now these are the fused with the mid Golgi. Now then it is fused with the trans Golgi. There is a one specific sequence. There is some specific direction. That's why that surrounding area, ye wala area, now this area, it should be free. These are the without any organelle, because mitochondria, again, these are the powerhouse of the cell. ATP release, ADP entry, all these are the continuously going on. Chloroplast also, these are the active organelle which is present inside the cell. Ribosome also, these are the active organelle which is present inside the cell, involved in protein synthesis. So such type of this organelle, mitochondria, chloroplast, ribosome, it should be it should be located away from Golgi complex, right? And that concept simply it is called as zone of exclusion. Got this point? I do understand what is the meaning of zone of exclusion.
Ma'am,
Yes?
can you explain again?
Yes, sure. Now, in this condition, what is meaning of zone of exclusion? Golgi complex, Golgi body, these are the organelle who represent zone of exclusion. What is meaning of zone of exclusion? Around area of Golgi or surrounding area of Golgi, this area. Okay, this area. That area, it should be free. Why this required the empty area? Why these are required the free area? Because so many vesicle, it is arise from endoplasmic reticulum, and continuously it will be showing fusion with the Golgi, modification of Golgi, release of vesicle from the trans Golgi. So these are the active area, because these are the area where protein sorting can be occur, protein modification, lipid modification, all that process can be occur. Because there is addition of address, addition of signal. So these are the most active area. So around the area of that Golgi complex, that all area, these are the empty. These are the free of mitochondria, chloroplast, rhizosome organelle. So that's why such condition is represent zone of exclusion, that is surrounding area of Golgi complex. These are the free with mitochondria, chloroplast, ribosome. Such type of this organelle totally absent. Got this? Social distancing. Okay. Got this?
Basically, they are organelles.
Basically Golgi complex, these are the one organelle. Mitochondria, chloroplast, these are also three, these are the organelles. But now what happened? We don't want mitochondria, chloroplast, ribosome around the Golgi complex. Got it? And reason is what? Because so many vesicles coming, showing the fusion, so many vesicles released from the trans Golgi. So it's required some place for the movement of vesicle. Yeah. Yes, Amok, that ribosome, which is we are talking about, these are the ATS, because now that ribosome, it is freely floating in cytoplasm. So definitely these are the ATS type. Chalo. Now, next point and the last point, that is function. Function. And this part, these are the neat favorite part. Function of Golgi complex. Number one, just we discuss. It is involved in modification of protein, first function, and as well as these are the involved in modification of molecule, that is lipid molecule. Okay, modification of protein as well as the modification of lipid. Now, modification of protein, it's called as glycosylation. It is called as glycosylation. And what is meaning of glycosylation?
Excuse
It
me,
means
ma'am.
that, huh?
Could you please show that previous one?
I erase that slide. Just I try. No.
Okay, ma'am, it's fine.
Yeah. So we are talking about number one, that is modification of protein, and that protein modification simply it is called as the glycosylation. Remember silation, SYLA, silation. And whenever we are talking about that is glycosylation, it means that protein to hoga hi hoga, but along with that protein there is an addition of glyco part, carbohydrate part, that is addition of sugar part. So protein plus sugar, right? Such type of this modification. Simply these are called as the glycoprotein. Remember that point, that protein plus sugar, simply these are called as the glycoprotein. That on the protein there is an addition of glyco part, that is sugar part, simply this process called as the glycosylation. So remember this thing. Inside this endoplasmic reticulum, they synthesize only protein. That protein pack into vesicle, transport toward the Golgi complex. Inside this Golgi complex, there is addition of sugar, and that sugar addition nothing but that is modification of protein, formation of glycoprotein, and such process these are called as glycosylation. Got this point? What is the meaning of glycosylation? Formation of glycoprotein, modification of protein, addition of sugar molecule on protein, called as the glycosylation. Got it? Got this point? Okay. Now we are talking about that is lipid modification. Lipid modification, simply these are called as, now in this condition we have to discuss that is formation of glycolipid, and now this process simply these are called as glycosidation. Glycosidation, just check the spellings, glycosylation and the sidation. Glycosidation nothing but we are talking about that is lipid plus sugar molecule. Lipid plus sugar, and such structure that is lipid plus sugar, simply it is called as glycolipid. Okay, glycolipid. So we are talking about that is two concepts. Number one, that is glycolipid, that is addition of glyco part, sugar part on the lipid, process called as the glycosidation, and the glycoprotein, that is addition of glucose part on protein, process it is called as the glycosylation. So glycosidation and the silation. Don't get confused between these two steps. Silation means protein modification. Silation means lipid modification. But in both the situation, there is an addition of sugar residue. Got this? Got this?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
yeah, so these are the first function with respect to neat point of view, that is modification. Now second function. Had you know, in human, in animal, there is a presence of this sperm. So we are talking about that is sperm. So these are the part of head part. Inside this head, there is a presence of acrosome. यहाँ पे present in nucleus, so I'm writing only N for the nucleus. Okay. So we are talking about these are the structure of sperm, male reproductive part. Sperm, that tip of the sperm, this one, this structure. This structure, these are called as the acrosome. These are called as the structure that is acrosome. And acrosomes, nothing but these are rich with some digestive enzyme to break the egg membrane during the fertilization process. So first of all, I'm writing this some information. That is, such type of this acrosome of the sperm, these are the one type of modified Golgi complex. These are modified Golgi complex. One type of modified Golgi complex. So now in this condition, we are talking about what is the function of that acrosome. Acrosome. Acrosome, basically, these are the head of the sperm. These are the part of head of the sperm. And just we discussed, these are the one example of modified Golgi complex. And now such acrosome, these are the rich with some digestive enzyme. These are the rich with digestive enzyme to break membrane of egg, to break membrane of egg during the process of fertilization. During the process of fertilization. So whenever we are talking about that is fertilization process, in case of animal, in case of human, that sperm it is has the head region, that is acrosome. Acrosome, these are the rich with the enzyme, and that enzyme nothing but these are the some type of the digestive enzyme. Now what happens when that sperm get entered into vaginal tract? Now it will be start moving towards this egg. Egg, it is having the some vitelline membrane, some glycoprotein membrane. So it is a protective layer. So many envelopes, so many layers present around the egg. So now what happened to break down that membrane? There is a requirement of the some digestive enzyme, and that digestive enzyme it is reside inside the head, because जब कभी भी fertilization होगा, that is a tail part. Okay, ये sperm का tail है, and that tail nothing but these are called as the flagella. Sperm flagella, and we know that whenever we are talking about the flagella, these are the motile. So that flagella, it will be showing movement, and now it will be head part is always present toward the upward direction, and that head it is consist of the acrosome. Whenever it is interact with the egg cell, so now first of all there is a requirement to break down the membrane of that egg, because without breakdown it is never entered into inside the egg, because that it should be required the egg fusion, nuclei fusion, right? And when it is possible, when that sperm nuclei, it is totally entered inside this female nuclei. So for that breakdown of plasma membrane, there is a requirement of acrosome. And remember this point, that acrosome, these are the example of modified Golgi complex. Modified, it's a one kind of this Golgi complex which reside, which is and consist of amount of some enzymes, digestive enzyme. Okay, so got this point? Got this point? Number second.
Ma'am, could you please explain the last sentence you said just now?
That during the fertilization part.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Remember, in next year, you will have the human reproduction pattern. Normally, what happen? That sperm, these are the motile part. Egg, these are the non-motile. Sperm get entered into vaginal tract, so slowly it will be start moving towards this egg. Now what happened? Egg basically is reside in fallopian tube. You know that very well. So now that sperm, it will be interact towards this egg membrane. Egg membrane, it is covered with so many layers. So many glycoproteins are there, vitelline membranes are there, something that jelly structures are there. So before entering, we have to, that sperm have to break that membrane. And why these are the possible? It's possible because of acrosome. Because acrosome, these are the one modified type of the Golgi complex which is rich with the some digestive enzyme. Digestive enzyme means what? जैसे वो enter करेगा inside this female reproductive tract, when it is interact with the egg, before interaction, now that digestive enzyme can break down the plasma membrane, other layers, other envelope which is protected, which is present around the egg. So during the digestion process, degradation process, definitely that acrosome play very important role, because it is one type of modified Golgi complex rich with digestive enzyme. Got this point?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Third function. Third function. So now we are talking about that is root cap, plant root cap. Okay. Root cap, again, these are rich with Golgi complex. These are the rich with Golgi complex which secrete the mucilage, which secrete this sticky material. That material is called as the mucilage for the lubrication. This acts as a lubrication, lubricant for the lubrication of root tip. Okay, one question from the root cap. So what is meaning that? For example, these are the structure of root. We are talking about that is under soil part. Okay, so these are the typical structure of this root. Now this root, it is consist of some hairs like primary root, secondary root, tertiary root, and number of the structures are present. So now in this condition, simply we are talking about these are the presence of that root, and that root, it is consist of that is different root hairs. So these are the typical structure. These are called as the root hair, which is involved in the absorption. So now what happened at the bottom, that root tip, these are the covered with some cap, and that cap nothing but these are called as the root cap. And what is the function of that root cap? Root cap basically it is involved in the function that is protection. Now what we see, what we are talking about this root cap. Generally it is rich with the Golgi complex. Okay, these are the rich with the Golgi. And why these are the Golgi? Because now what happened, such type of this Golgi, it can secrete one sticky substance, that sticky substance called as the mucilage. Now we know that root, it will be showing growth toward the downward direction. Yes, towards this gravity, definitely root, it is go penetrate deeply inside the soil. So now what happened, that जो भी tip वाला region होगा, this one area, that tip area, this area, it's very delicate, it's very young part. So now what happened, maybe due to that soil particles, maybe due to that friction between the soil particles and that root, maybe there is a damage of tissue. So to avoid that damage, root tip, it is always covered with the root cap. Root cap mostly it is present in terrestrial ecosystem plant, and in aquatic there is a presence of root pocket. But function is same, it is involved in protection of root tip. So generally when we are talking about land plant or terrestrial plant, so that plant it is covered with the root cap. That root cap, it is rich with the Golgi complex, and that Golgi complex continuously secrete the mucilage. Mucilage क्या है? Mucilage is the one sticky substance who act as a lubricant between the soil particles and between the roots. So it's avoid the damage of roots. It's avoid the damage. Okay. So such kind of this condition, that is mucilage, which is secreted by Golgi complex, which is present in abundant amount in root cap. And root cap, these are the end portion. These are the cap-like structure. These are the protective layer of root. So got this point? This point is clear? Acrosome rich with the digestive enzyme. So mucilage form the protective layer. Yes, it is form of protective layer. It is act as a lubricant. जैसे हम इसमें engine में डालते ना, in vehicles also we add some lubricant. So now what happened, that instrument, that machine, it is not showing the friction force. So some type of lubricant it's required for the smooth working. Penetration of soil, because root, it will be showing growth toward this gravity, right? So definitely it will be go slowly downward. So there should be some requirement of lubricant. So that lubricant nothing but mucilage, it is act as a lubricant. Mucilage means a simple meaning. आपने भेंडी देखा है, lady finger, okra. So when you are cutting that bhendi, there is a something a sticky material it is released. So that sticky material is nothing but these are act as a lubricant. That is a mucilage, one type of mucilage. Okay, chalo. So these are the third function. Now, next one, that is fourth. Write down the fourth function. It is involved in secretion. That is secretion of wax, gum, mucus, enzyme, as well as antibodies. Antibodies. So it is involved in secretion. So what is meaning of secretion? Simply, we are talking about one pathway. We are not taking too much detail because you know what is meaning of secretory vesicle. It means that we have to release outside the cell wall because it will be having the something specific function. So maybe outside the cell, mucus can secrete, some enzymes also get secrete, antibody also secreted outside the cell. And wax and gum, these are the very common. They always secrete toward the outer side. Now what happened? We are taking some pathway. There is a presence of endoplasmic reticulum. ER. Inside this endoplasmic reticulum, there is a formation of biomolecule. So that biomolecule, it will be get formed from endoplasmic reticulum. That biomolecule, it is passed to cis Golgi. From cis Golgi, it is transferred to mid Golgi, and finally it is transferred to last end, that is trans Golgi. Okay, and now we just discuss between these steps, that is from the cis Golgi to trans Golgi, there is a process can be occur. That process nothing but modification. That process simply it is called as modification of that particular biomolecule, glycosylation or glycosidation. Okay, now what happened from the trans Golgi? That vesicle release. That vesicle get released, right? And that specific type of this vesicle, nothing but these are called as secretory vesicle. These are called as the secretory vesicle. And once that secretory vesicle get formed, it means that it should be released outside the cell. Outside the cell. So simply, these are the pathway that is called as the secretory pathway. Where is this any molecule which is synthesized on endoplasmic reticulum, transport to Golgi, addition of address, modification, pack into vesicle, and now through the vesicle that material it released outside the cell. So simply such process, these are called as the secretion of wax, gum, mucus, enzyme, antibody. All this material it will be get secreted through this process. So got this point? This point is clear, everyone? It's antibodies. IgG, IgA, IgM, IgD, IgE. Total 5 types of antibodies. Ma'am, it is always released outside the cell. Yash, if address is present, agar address hoga, you should go outside the cell. So always it is go outside. It is depend upon what kind of this signal, what kind of this address added inside the Golgi complex. It is depend upon that. But whenever we are using the word secretion, it should be released outside the cell. Okay? Okay, Yash? How it is related to fourth function? These are the plasma membrane, outermost plasma membrane. Now there is the presence of endoplasmic reticulum. Now there is a presence of Golgi complex. From the Golgi complex, now there is a release of vesicle. And that vesicle, it should consist of some molecule with modification. So we are using that modification part like this. Now what happened? This vesicle go and fused with the plasma membrane like this. It will be go and fuse with the plasma membrane. Once it will be showing the fusion, now there is a presence of these molecules also with modification, and simply that modification it is released outside the plasma membrane. Because now what happened? We know that mucus it's always released outside the cell. Wax it is always released outside the cell. Gum also released outside the cell. But we have some examples, certain antibodies as well as this enzyme. They should be released outside the cell because in our body there is a specific type of plasma cells and the membrane cells are there who involved in the antibodies production. So that antibody का काम कहाँ पे होगा? What is the main function of antibodies? Kill the foreign pathogen, foreign particles like bacteria, viruses. So killing process. It is involved in defense mechanism. So they should release from the cell because mode of action it is inside the cytoplasm. It is related to blood. So is this any foreign particle which is present in blood? So it should be released from that particular cell because वहाँ उनका function कहाँ पे होगा? That function it is reside in blood because inside this blood foreign pathogen, viruses, or is this any bacteria? They are reside inside this blood. So that defense action it is should occur in blood. So they should release from any specific type of the cell. So that's why we are talking about the involved in secretion process. Got this? Okay, fine. So next point, ये था fourth function with respect to secretion. Fifth one, we are talking about in oocytes. In oocytes. Oocytes nothing but we are talking about. हाँ. Oocytes also called as the egg and these are also called as the oosphere. Okay, oocytes egg or also called as the oosphere, which is haploid in nature, egg cell simply. Done this part? Yeah. So when we are talking about that is oosphere, inside this oosphere, yeah, inside this oocyte, one process can be occur that is yolk formation. Yolk formation process. And this yolk formation process also called as vitalogenesis. This process also called as vitalogenesis. Yolk formation process or simply it is called as the vitalogenesis. So now what happened? During the yolk formation process, during the vitalogenesis process, there is a formation of yolk around the Golgi body. So now simply I am writing the information. Yolk formed around the Golgi bodies. Around the Golgi body. So simply I'm taking the structure of that egg or simply we are talking about that is oocyte. Now what is meaning of yolk part? ये present है egg. Okay. Inside this egg there is a presence of, suppose there is a presence of, these are the Golgi complex. G for the Golgi complex or the Golgi bodies. So now what happened? Whenever we are talking about vitalogenesis process, during the vitalogenesis process, there is a formation of yolk material. And now what happened? That yolk nothing but it will be get accumulated. That yolk part it is get accumulated around the Golgi complex like this. And this material nothing but these are called as that is yolk material. And that formation of yolk around the Golgi complex, this process simply these are called as vitalogenesis. So definitely Golgi complex play very important role during the vitalogenesis process because we know that inside this egg there is a white area is present which is rich with the protein. Again yolk region are there which is yellow in color, which is rich with the fatty acid, lipid, cholesterol and some amount of proteins also there. So around that yolk region, now why these are the happening? Why such type of this large yolk is formed? Because at the center there is a presence of this Golgi complex and around the Golgi bodies there is a formation, there is an accumulation of that yolk material. Got this point? And you understand what is meaning of vitalogenesis? What is meaning of yolk formation and how it is get initiated? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. So these are the fifth function. Now next one, number 6. Write down.
Ma'am,
Huh?
yolk is for the protection of the Golgi bodies.
No, Baba. Yolk basically these are the rich with lipid. Again, these are the rich with the cholesterol. Again, these are the rich with the cholesterol. Sorry. Again, these are the rich with the some amount of protein. So these are the some biomolecules, right? These are the source of energy. If you are eating egg, boiled egg, so now what happened? That egg it is having the white area. That white area, these are the rich with the calcium and protein. But whenever you are eating that yellow part of that particular egg, that so yellow part it is consist of the fat, it is consist of the lipid, it is consist of the cholesterol. So now what happened? That yellow part it is not a nucleus. Remember that thing. Nucleus hoga hi hoga, but along with that, that there is a small body that is Golgi complex, and around that Golgi complex there is an accumulation of material. Which material? Lipid material, cholesterol material, some amount of proteins also there. And why such that get accumulated? Because these form around the Golgi complex. These are the one type of nutrition. It is not involved in protection. It is a one kind of nutrition. Got it? Got it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
got it.
Yeah. So next point, number 6. Write down number 6.
Excuse
Golgi
me,
body.
ma'am.
Huh?
Sometimes on the yolk, red dot is found, no?
Or red dot can is such a we are talking about, that is white dot. That white dot nothing but these are the embryo. That is one embryo. White dot.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, that is not a red, that is a white dot, which is attached to yolk portion. It is attached to yellow region. जब कभी भी ऑमलेट बनाओगे ना देख लेना कहीं ना कहीं तो प्रेजेंट होगा. ठीक है चलो. So next point we are talking about, that is 6. Number 6, that is Golgi complex. It is involved in processing, packaging, transportation, and distribution of biomolecules. So definitely हमने अभी देखा process करो means modification, pack करो packaging. It should be packed into vesicle. Now that inside this vesicle address is there, then transportation and as well as that is distribution. So all this function it is performed by the one organelle, that is Golgi complex. Simply it is called as the sorting process. Sorting karo. All this process simply it is called as the sorting. Now, next condition, next function, it is involved in cell wall formation. Golgi complex, it is also involved in cell wall formation. So now during the cell wall formation, we are writing the some molecules except cellulose.
Ma'am, can you scroll up?
Except cellulose, material like pectate material who form the middle lamella, as well as the hemicellulose, which is a part of this matrix. Pectate is also part of that matrix. Again, there is a formation of mucopolysaccharide. Mucopolysaccharide. So all these three molecules,
Ma'am, all these are exceptions.
Exception only cellulose.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So pectate, hemicellulose, mucopolysaccharide, these are the formed by Golgi complex. So remember this thing, cellulose, it is not formed by Golgi complex. Except cellulose, all that material which is required for cell wall synthesis, either middle lamella, primary cell wall, secondary cell wall, mostly all that material is coming from the Golgi complex except cellulose. क्यों होगा हम बाद में देखेंगे, because cellulose it is formed by the plasma membrane, because on plasma membrane there is a one enzyme it's reside, and that enzyme involved in cellulose formation. So remember this thing, except cellulose, all the material which is required for cell wall formation like pectate, hemicellulose, mucopolysaccharide, all these are synthesized by Golgi complex. Got this point? Okay. Yeah. Number 8, it is involved in lysosome. It is involved in formation of lysosome. So हम आगे देखेंगे next point, that is how that lysosome form, and such process these are also called as Golgian vacuole formation, because some vesicle which is arise from the trans Golgi directly it is converted into lysosome, and that lysosome simply it is called as the Golgian vacuole. And the last function, minor functioning, but the last, that is it is involved in root hair formation. So in diagram just we discuss what is the root cap and the root hair. So definitely in case of root hair formation, Golgi complex also play very important role. So but major function, whenever we are talking about that, maximum question is coming from the modification, that is glycosylation and the glycosidation. So these are the few functions related to Golgi complex. So is this any doubt from Golgi complex? हाँ सानिका, true. Vitalogenesis, these are the process of yolk formation in egg. So
Excuse me, ma'am.
Golgi complex from the egg. हाँ, Golgi complex, yes. Now Golgi complex it secretes some substance, and that substance nothing but we are talking about it is involved in yolk formation, not completely, but maximum portion it is formed by the Golgi complex. Okay, Sakshi? More like a factory than the post office. No, factory means protein factory, that is ribosome. Okay, post office Golgi complex. Okay, got this point? Okay, chalo. हाँ.
Ma'am, can you please explain the last point, root hair formation?
We just discussed in diagram. These are the root part. Okay, root tip it is covered with the root cap. Now at this area there is a presence of this root hair. These are the root hair which is involved in absorption process. Now what happened? This root hair it replaced within or between 10 to 15 days, because it's very young part, it is very delicate part. So now what happened? That root hair after 10 to 15 days, old root release, old root undergo the lysis process and that formation of the new root after 10 to 15 days, because it's very delicate part, right? Lifespan it is only 10 to 15 days. After 10 to 15 days again there is a formation of the new root, old remove, formation of this new. And why these are the possible? These are the possible because of Golgi complex. Got this point?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
So morphology
Excuse
point
me,
we'll
ma'am.
discuss in detail. Listen, in morphology chapter, we have to discuss detailed structure of root. That time I'll discuss all the structure. Root hair, root cap, what is the different parts of root.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hmm?
Ma'am, in the 7th point, pectate, flamicellulose, and mucopolysaccharide are formed by Golgi complex.
Except cellulose.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, all this material is synthesized by Golgi except cellulose, because cellulose synthesized by plasma membrane. ये हम आगे देखेंगे in
And
anatomy chapter.
all these are involved in cell wall formation, no?
Obviously, because we discussed now, cell wall, it is not only single layer, it is made up of the pectin layer, primary cell wall, secondary cell wall, and layer vary, molecules also get vary. Got it? Okay, chalo. So
Yes,
now
ma'am.
next point, we are talking about next organelle, suicidal bag of the cell, that is lysosome, also called as suicide bag. Now, first of all, we are talking about first point, occurrence, where these are the exactly present. Remember this thing, whenever we are talking about that is animal cell, inside this animal cell these are present, except inside this animal cell these are the present except mammalian mature RBC. Mammalian mature RBC. So in all animals these are the present, but we are talking about first condition, that is except mammalian RBC these are the absent. Now another condition in case of plant. So remember this thing, in case of this plant, lysosome is
Can you
absent.
scroll up?
I
Please
erased the
scroll up.
previous part. I erased the previous part, Golgi part. What you want to write down? Huh?
Root hair formation.
Root hair formation. Anyone please take the screenshot and share it. Okay, so we are talking about that is plant. Plant means in this condition we are talking about that is lysosome absent. Why lysosome absent? Because in plant there is a more developed organelle present, that is vacuole. So further we'll discuss. In plant there is a presence of vacuole who majorly involved in degradation of molecule. Along with that there is a presence of pharosomes which is involved in the degradation. Again, there is a presence of aileron grain. Aileron grain. And all these three parts which is present inside this plant, which is resembles that all activity, these are similar to rhizosome. So it will be showing similar to lysosomal activities. Means all the function which is performed by the lysosome. Simply we are talking about that is suicidal back, means mostly it is involved in the process of degradation. So all such activities is done by the vacuole, also done by the pharosomes, also done by the aileron grain. So all these are the similar to lysosome. So that's why in case of plant, lysosome absent. Got this point? Because we have in case of plant, there is a more developed systems are present. So these are some information about this vacuole. Now, second point, vacuole basically these are the single membrane organelle. These are the single membrane organelle. Okay. Third point, that is diameter. Sanika will discuss this part. Next point we are talking about that is diameter. Diameter lie between 0.2 to 0.8 μm. Okay, diameter it is lie between 0.2 to 0.8 μm. Fourth point, now such type of this lysosome, these are the rich with the some enzyme, that is hydrolytic enzyme. These are rich with the enzyme, that hydrolytic enzyme. Okay, what is meaning of hydrolytic enzyme? When we are using the word that is hydrolytic enzyme, it means that breakdown of molecule by adding the water, or simply in presence of water breakdown of molecule. In presence of water, because water is get involved, breakdown of molecule. Breakdown process can be occur. Breakdown of molecule. So such kind of this enzyme, these are simply called as the hydrolytic enzyme. Who definitely they involved in the breakdown, but when it is occur, that is breakdown in presence of water. Water is required, water is get added. Now last class also I'm discussing, that is whenever we are talking about that is a lysosome. Lysosome, it is consist of enzyme. So in lysosome, approximately 50 enzymes are present, 50. Okay, approximately 50 enzymes are present, and all these are the enzymes, these are the hydrolytic enzyme. So approximately 50 enzymes present, and such enzyme, these are the hydrolytic enzyme. And along with that, I'm talking one point that all enzymes, these are the activate in presence of acidic pH. Activated.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Acidic
It is
pH.
rich with hydrolytic enzyme
Hydrolytic
only in
enzyme.
presence of water.
Hydrolytic enzyme. Hydro means what? Hydro means water. Means these are the enzyme. It is mostly performing function when water is get added. Hydrolytic. Water get add, molecule get breakdown. That's it.
So these enzymes only digest the cell.
Not digest the cell, digest the biomolecules like protein, lipid, nucleic acid, RNA, DNA.
Okay, ma'am.
We'll discuss in function in detail. Okay. So now these are the rich with the hydrolytic enzyme. Yeah. And it means that is water added and that molecule undergo the breakdown. Already we discussed in lysosome approximately 50 enzymes are present. Which enzyme? Definitely we are talking about these are the hydrolytic enzymes are present, and that hydrolytic enzymes, these are the get activated. But when it is get activated, when there is an acidic pH, and that pH it is lie between 4 to 5. In acidic pH, that is pH between 4 to 5. These are the range for the acidic pH. Now in this condition, simply we are talking about what is the pH of C. We are talking about all the hydrolytic enzyme. That enzyme, it is required the acidic condition. So that's why whenever we are talking about that is typical structure of that lysosome. So for example, these are the lysosome structure. That lysosome, it has the acidic pH. That pH lie between 4 to 5. pH, power of hydrogen, potential of hydrogen, right? We are talking about there is a presence of pH. That pH, it is lie between 4 to 5. And again, it is consist of the membrane. It consists of only single membrane organelle. Mitochondria, chloroplast, double membrane organelle. Lysosome, single membrane organelle. Single membrane organelle. And now this organelle, it is consist of the acidic compartment. Can you tell me what happening in this condition? Whenever we are using the acidic condition, किसकी concentration ज़्यादा होगी? Proton concentration is more, means H plus concentration is more, or OH minus is more? Tell me, when we are talking about pH is acidic. Yes, there is a more concentration of that is H plus ion. So simply I am talking, next class I will discuss how such acidic pH, how that concentration of proton it is get increased inside this lysosome, because lysosome it is consists of main function that is a suicidal bag. It is involved in the degradation process, and now there is a requirement of enzyme. But what is the specificity of that enzyme? That enzyme it is get activated only and only when pH is acidic. But we have to maintain the acidic pH. So in next class, not Friday, we'll discuss what happened, how that pH, acidic pH is get maintained. Got this? Okay, chalo. So thank you so much. And again, I'm talking about there is a